Hello guys, this is your daily dose of nature. Here is some dose for you.
Kitten provokes sleeping bulldog from secret hiding spot.
Good girl. Did you get it? Is that nice? She's blurry. Great. There you go.
Well, I got something for you.
No, please don't. Please. No, no, wait. No, wait. Just think about it. Just think about it. For just a second. No, wait. Do you really want to be upset? Yeah. What's happening?
See you guys in the next video and please like, share, and subscribe for more dose.